Question A is find the cube root of each of the following numbers by prime factorization method. And in this video we will solve fourth part of this. Fourth part is minus 39,304. We will do prime factors of this. 2 ones are 2, 1 9 19, 2 nines are 18, 1 3 13, 2 6 are 12, 1 0 10, 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4, 2 nines are 18, 1 6 16, 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4, 1 2 12, 2 6 are 12, 2 4s are 8, 1 8 18, 2 nines are 18, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 7 2s are 14, 1 5 15, and 1 will be 151, 17 8s are 136, 151 minus 136 will be 153, 17 9s are 153, 17 ones are 17, there is 11, 11 and 9, 119, 17 sevens are 119 and 17 ones are 17. So cube root of minus 39,304 is equal to cube root of 3 times 2 and 3 times 17 in multiply. Now we will make triplet of same three numbers. First triplet 2 into 2 into 2 and second triplet 17 into 17 into 17. When these triplets comes out from square root, they will be single. Minus 2 into 17. Minus 2 into 17 will be minus 34. Now we will solve fifth part of this, 54.872. We will find cube root of 54.872. Cancel point from here and divide it by 1000, because after point there are 3 digits, so we will divide it by 1000. Now we have to find the cube root of 54,872 upon 1000. So we will do the prime factors of this and this. Prime factors of 54,872 are 2 2s are 4, 1 4 14, 2 7s are 14, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 1 2 12, 2 6 are 12, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 1 4 14, 2 7s are 14, 2 1s are 2, 1 6 6, 1 6 16, 2 8s are 16, 2 6 are 12, 1 7 17, 2 8s are 16, 1 1 11, 2 5s are 10, 1 8 18, 2 9s are 18. It can be divisible by 19. 19 3s are 57. So 11 is left here. 11 and 5 will be 115. 19 6 are 114. 1 is left, 11. 19 6 are 114. 1 is left here. 1 9 19. 19 ones are 19. 19 ones are 19. 17 is left here. 17 and 1 117. 19 nines are 117. 19 ones are 19. Now we will do prime factors of 1000. 10 ones are 10, 0 0 as it is. 10 ones are 10, 0 as it is. 10 ones are 10. So cube root of 54,872 upon 1000 is cube root of 2 into 2 into 2 into 19 into 19 into 19 upon 10 into 10 into 10. 3 times 2 and 3 times 19 upon 3 times 10 in multiply. Then we will make triplets of same 3 digits. First triplet 2 into 2 into 2, second triplet 19 into 19 into 19, and third triplet 10 into 10 into 10. When they will come out from cube root, they will be single. 2 into 19 upon 10 equal to 2 into 19, 38 upon 10 equal to 38 upon 10 will be 3.8. Answer is 3.8. Now you can solve other parts of this question in homework. Question 6. 1,25,000 7 minus 13,824 8 110.592 ninth 1,75,616 minus 1,75,616 and 10th 74,088 11 4.096 12 91.125. You will solve all these parts in homework.